Good morning, Rutgers. My name is Josh Coop here with your Weather Watcher blizzard forecast on this Friday morning, January 22nd. We'll take a look at our morning almanac. We got down to a morning low of 17 degrees, just a bit below our average of 21 for this time of year, but not quite close to our record of -6 set back in 1985. Look at our sunrise and sunset. The sun is finally setting after 5 p.m., so winter's ending, but not really. Today we'll see cloudy and cold conditions, as well as the blizzard warning that we're under, as well as a coastal flood warning for down the shore. And the major story is the 8 to 14 inches of snow that we will likely be seeing. You could see the watches and warnings issued by the National Weather Service this morning. Much of central Jersey, South Jersey is under a blizzard warning, as well as northern areas of New Jersey are under winter storm warning and winter storm advisories in Sussex County. If you look at southern New York and southern Connecticut, they're under a winter weather advisory, slightly more conservative in that office, because we'll see there's a very strong accumulation gradient across the state, which will cause a lot of issues for forecasters like me. Look at temperatures throughout today. We'll only get to a high of 28 in Sussex, mostly below freezing across the state, Camden and Wildwood being the exception. Zoom out, again, mostly cold in the 20s up in New York, and mostly freezing across the area, except in Philly, we'll see a high of 33. We'll look at our satellite and radar for this morning. You can see our storm system in the southeast dominating the region with snow already in Virginia, North Carolina. There's a mixing situation going on in North Carolina. What truly matters in this storm is how the low tracks off of the Outer Banks, where that's positioned, and how it strengthens as it comes up our coast, delivering us snow. We'll look at our futurecast for New Jersey. The snow will start to move in around just after midnight Saturday. We move through the morning hours. Really heavy snow bands will start to move in by 7:30 a.m. We could have a few inches already by that time. From the morning through the afternoon, heavy snow, winds start to really pick up. We could see those blizzard conditions, some mixing down the coast. That could be an issue in terms of ice accumulation by 4 p.m. through the evening hours on Saturday. The snow starts to move out, mostly a snow event at this point. And as we move through Sunday later morning, the snow finally clears out and we get a warmer day to help melt some of that accumulation. Here is the safest forecast we can give at this point. For our area, we should see at least 8 to 14 inches of snow across central and south central Jersey. The areas just to our north, we should see 6 to 12 inches. Of course, there's going to be a very strong gradient of accumulation across this area with how the snow bands eventually set up. If we go through today, much more boring. By 12 p.m. we'll be at 29 degrees, partly cloudy. Move to 3 p.m. we'll get to 30 degrees, and by 6 p.m. we'll get to 29. So high for today, 31 degrees with northeast winds. Clouds increasing. You can see those northeast winds are a characteristic of the northeaster that's coming up off of our coast. Tonight we'll get down to a low of 27 with those winds really starting to pick up 15 to 20 miles an hour. By 7 a.m. they should be around 25 miles an hour with wind gusts at 30 miles an hour. Look at our 7-day forecast. The blizzard dominates the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. By Sunday things will start to taper off, and we'll get warmer into Monday with a high of 38, mostly sunny. Tuesday, another chance of rain. The melt will definitely be happening at 42 degrees. By Wednesday, we should be at 39, all these days above average. And by Thursday, we'll get to 37, slightly below average. Now, as always, you could check out WeatherWatcher, channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Make sure you do. Facebook, like us at RUWeatherWatcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, #RUWeather, or check us out online at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. Now, this is a dynamic storm, so make sure you follow our updates throughout today. Things can change, new model runs can come out, and we could have new information. My name is Josh Coop, and have a great day, Rutgers.